Hi friends, welcome to Technical Vijay channel. In this video, we will see how to stop the automatic updates on Windows 10. Yes, you can disable automatic updates on Windows 10. And in this video, we will show you 3 methods to complete this task. On Windows 10, quality updates or cumulative updates, they will download and install automatically as soon as they become available. Although this automatic approach allows devices to receive security updates to patch vulnerabilities, improve performance, and bring enhancements without user interaction, it is perhaps one of the most controversial features. Typically, it's because updates contain bugs that can negatively affect the experience in many different ways. For example, they could break existing features, introduce driver and application compatibility problems, blue screen of death, that is BSOD, as we have discussed in the last videos, and they require a restart to complete the installation that can disrupt the user workflow. If you tend to see more problems than benefits during the updates, or you have a good reason to use a computer unpatched, depending on your edition of Windows 10, you can disable automatic updates using the Settings app or permanently with the Group Policy or Registry edition. In this Windows 10 video, we will walk through the steps to prevent Windows Update from downloading and installing updates on your computer automatically. Let us see the method 1, that is how to disable automatic updates with this Settings app only. If you want to skip a specific update, you do not need to disable Windows Update permanently. Instead, you should pause the updates until the next patch arrives. The Settings app includes an option to stop system updates for up to 35 days on Windows 10 Home and Professional editions. So how to disable these automatic updates temporarily? By using the following steps. First, open the settings. Click on Update and Security. Click on Windows Update. Then click the Advanced option button. Under this Pause Update section, use the drop-down menu and select how long to disable these updates. Once you complete the steps, updates will no longer download until the day you specified. When your computer reaches the pause limit, you will need to install the latest patch available to make the option available again. You can always undo the changes with exact instructions as I have told now. Okay, this is the first method to disable the automatic updates with the settings inbuilt with Windows system. So next method, how to disable automatic updates with the Group Policy. The local Group Policy editor available on Windows 10 Professional includes policies to permanently disable automatic updates or change the Windows Update settings to decide when patches should be installed in the computer. So to disable the automatic updates on Windows 10 permanently, use the following steps. First, open the run in that you type gpedit.msc, that is Group Policy Edition, and click the top results to launch the local Group Policy Editor. Navigate to the following path, that is Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, and then Windows Update. Here, double click on the Configure Automatic Updates policy on the right side. Okay, here. Check the disabled option to turn off automatic updates permanently on Windows 10. After this, click the Apply button and click the OK button. After you complete these steps, the system will stop downloading the updates automatically. However, the ability to check for updates manually will continue to be available on Settings, that is Settings, Update and Security, that is Windows Update, and clicking the Check for Update button to download the most recent patches. If you want to enable automatic updates on the device again, you can use the exact instruction as I had told now, just to enable. Then the third method, here we can limit the updates. The local group policy editor lets you devise how to disable automatic updates. To manage the Windows Update automatic downloads with group policy, we can do like this. That is, open the run command, type gpedit.msc and select the top results. Navigate to the following path. That's what we have discussed. Computer configuration, administrative templates, Windows components, then Windows Update. Double click the configure automatic update policy on the right side. Check the enable option to turn on the policy. Under the options section here, select the option to prevent updates from downloading and installing automatically on Windows 10. That is the second option you have to select. Okay. There are so many options, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 like this. Okay. The best option to disable automatic updates is the option 2, that is notify for download and auto install options. But you can make a different selection also. If you choose the option number 2, updates won't download automatically. Instead, in the Windows Update settings page, you will now see an install now button to manually trigger an update. Okay. Then click the apply button, then click the OK button. Once you complete these steps, automatic updates will be permanently disabled on Windows 10. However, when new updates become available, you will be able to install them manually from the Windows Update settings page. That's what we have discussed. Then the next option is how to disable automatic updates by using the registry method. You can also disable automatic updates using the registry in at least 2 different ways, like when using the local group policy editor. This is a friendly reminder that editing the registry is risky and can cause irreversible damage to your installation if you do not do it correctly. It is recommended to make a full backup of your PC before proceeding. Okay. So for this, you can open run program, then search for regedit, that is type regedit and press enter. Navigate to the following path, that is local machine, software, policies, then Microsoft, and in that Windows. Right click the Windows key, select the new submenu and the choose key option. Name the new key as Windows Update and press enter. Right click the newly created key, select the new submenu and choose the key option. Here new key has to be created. Name that key as AU. Right click the AU key, select the new submenu and choose the dword value option. Name the new key as no auto update and press enter. Double click the new created key and change its value from 0 to 1. Click the OK button. Then after doing all this, closing the registry editor, restart the computer. So after you complete these steps, Windows Update automatic updates will be disabled permanently. However, you will still be able to download updates as needed by clicking the check for update button on the Windows 10 update settings page. If you want to undo the changes whatever we have done, all those 4 methods, you can use the same instruction as we have discussed. But on the step 4, right click on the Windows Update key, select the delete option. That is Windows Update key, that what we have discussed in the registry method. You have to delete that key, Windows Update key itself. Okay. Then reboot the computer to apply the settings. I hope this video will be useful for you to disable the automatic updates on Windows 10. Friends, if you are not subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe for getting more technical information like this. Thank you.